Hello everyone, I am Lakshmi Pandey. I am a PhD student in the Human Computer Interaction Group at the University of California, Merced. I am going to present my work with Professor Ahmed Sabir Arif on enabling text translation using the suggestion bar of a virtual keyboard. Existing translation methods for mobile devices require performing a sequence of cut, copy, and paste actions, which takes much time. Besides, this process interrupts the task at hand by forcing users to switch between the current and the translation interface. For example, to translate an outgoing message using default Google Android keyboard's translation feature, user first tap on the button to see a menu. Select the translation option by tapping on it. Find the target language by scrolling up or down. Select the target language by tapping on it and then enter the text. For incoming messages, users perform additional steps to cut copy a chunk of text and paste it in an input area for translation. For faster text translation and to enable multilingual and polyglot textual conversation on mobile devices, we developed a real-time translation method that sits on the suggestion bar of a virtual keyboard. Unlike existing method, it works on both the current input sequence and the existing text. Besides, this method can translate the complete or a selected chunk of a text and includes convenient undo options. In the following few slides, I will demonstrate the key features of the translation method. The proposed method places a translation button on the suggestion bar. Notice that it does not replace the word suggestion feature, rather adds an extra button beside the suggestions. User can select a preferred translation language by long tapping on the button, which displays list of language to select from. To translate a recently composed text to the default translation language, users simply tap on the translation button. Users can change the default translation language by long tapping on the translation button as demonstrated earlier. On each translation request, the system passes the text to Google Cloud Translation API to receive the translated text. Users can easily revert to the original text after performing a translation task. For this, they tap on the translation button immediately after a translation. The method also supports selective translation, which enables translating a select part of the text. For this, users first highlight parts of the text they want to translate, then tap on the translation button. Finally, the method includes a reuse feature that enables user to reuse a previously translated text in a text entry episode, for example, in a chat session. For this, user tap on the return key repeatedly to cycle through all past translations. For example, if user want to reuse a previously translated phrase, this is an example, they can enter it by cycling through all past translations in the conversation. We conducted 2 user studies to evaluate various aspects of the proposed translation method. The first study evaluated the method's perceived performance, preference, usability, and learnability. 24 volunteers aged between 23 and 28 years participated in the study. 12 of them were native Hindi speakers and the other 12 were native Mandarin speakers. They were not familiar with each other's language. In the study, one native Hindi speaking person was paired up with one native Mandarin speaking person to hold textual conversations with each other in each other's native language on a mutually selected topic. For example, discuss your bucket list. Participants were instructed to type in English, then translate the text to the language of the person they are paired with before sending it to them. They were asked to continue the conversation until they both felt that they have fully covered the topic. Once finished, all participants completed a questionnaire where they rated various aspects of the method on a 7-point Likert scale. Results revealed that all participants found the proposed method fast, easy to learn, and use. They all wanted to use the method frequently on their mobile devices. Interestingly, all participants were satisfied with the quality of translations and the flow of conversation, regardless of the fact that conversations were held in languages they were unfamiliar with. External reviewers of the conversations, who reviewed the quality of the composed text, also supported this claim. The second study compared the proposed method with the default Google Android keyboard's translation feature. 12 volunteers aged between 23 and 28 years participated in the study, where they performed 3 different types of translation tasks with the proposed and the Google Keyboard's translation feature. First, full, where participants translated a complete phrase to another language. Second, partial, where participants translated a select part of a phrase to a different language. Third, multiple, where participants translated 2 select parts of the phrase to 2 different languages. These tasks were presented in printed task sheet. Upon completion of all tasks, participants completed a questionnaire that asked them to rate the performance of the examined methods. Results revealed that the proposed method was 35% faster and required 70% fewer actions to perform translation tasks compared to the default method. A deeper analysis revealed that 97% of all tasks required only one action to perform with the proposed method. Besides, participants found the proposed method significantly more effective, user-friendly, and convenient. Particularly, they found the undo redo and the selective translation feature of the method significantly more efficient than the default method. To summarize, we augmented text translation features to the suggestion bar of a virtual keyboard to accommodate fast and easy translation between various languages on mobile devices. Subjective analysis revealed that all participants found the method fast and easy. They all were satisfied with the quality and flow of the conversations and wanted to use it frequently on their devices for multilingual and polyglot conversation. Comparative results showed that the proposed method was significantly faster and it also required significantly fewer number of actions per task. This work highlights how seemingly minor design changes can make a big impact on the usability and the effectiveness of an existing system. We did not develop a novel translation service or an input method. Instead, proposed more intuitive interaction approaches with an existing service. The method proposed in this work can make a positive impact by enabling two users unfamiliar with each other's languages to engage in seamless, stimulating discussion. It can also uphold inclusivity by enabling users to take part in conversation and discussions in a foreign language. Thank you for your time. I'm happy to take any questions you may have about the work. Also, feel free to ask us questions or comment on our work via our social media channels. Thank you.